Assalamualaikum dear viewers. I have a microvan. Customer given me and customer said no hot. It's working but no hot. That's right. Yeah, it's working. Everything is okay but no hot. Yeah. So let's see how to fix it. I'll remove all the screws and back cover also. Then video will be continue. Okay dear viewers, I have removed the cover. So before we test anything, we'll check. Okay, this is the motherboard power supply. From power supply it has gone to the door switch. From door switch it has come this switch. From this switch it has transformer. Yeah, it has gone to the transformer. It's transformer AC line in, and there is the high voltage. So we can count it. This side is AC line, and that is the high voltage. Yeah, around 4000 volt. That's it. This side is very dangerous. So at first we have to say there is AC line in or not. Yeah, if it is AC line, there is not present AC voltage, so that means our problem is in this section, not that section. Yeah, so for this testing I have connected the clip, two clip. By through this clip it has come to the our meter. Yeah, so this meter we can see the voltage. So we'll turn it on. Yeah, so then we will see the our voltage. Yeah, so dear viewers, we have voltage, AC voltage 227. So our this section is okay. That hot section, high voltage section is problem. Yeah, so it's confirmed. So our door switch, all switches are all are okay. So high voltage section is problem. Yeah, and this is the high voltage capacitor. Before we test or test, we have to discharge. Yeah, because this high voltage, just by two terminal, this terminal you connect to the body. Yeah, and that is also connect to the body. Yeah, so it has been discharged, and this two terminal to the body. Yeah, okay, it has been discharged. So at first we have to check. There's no fuse. There's sometimes there is fuse, but in here no fuse. So I'll test the capacitor, and this is the high voltage diode. Okay dears, so in high voltage section there is a high voltage diode and high voltage capacitor and magnetor. These three things are only there. Yeah, so I will remove. Okay dear viewers, I have removed the all connector. Yeah, at first we'll check the diode. Yeah, this is the diode, high voltage diode. We'll test it continuity. If there is continuity high voltage diode, so that means the problem is the diode. Yeah, we should not see any of continuity. Yeah, so no continuity to this diode. So this diode is okay. Yeah, so this diode is okay, and this also should not get continuity to the body. Yeah, to the body no continuity. So capacitor range. Yeah, and it should, this high voltage capacitor is 1 microfarad. Yeah. Connect to the two terminal. Yeah, it's showing around 920 0.920 micro F. So around nearby. Okay dear viewers, so I have checked, this diode is no continue, so diode is okay, and this capacitor 1 microwave, so it's showing 0.9 microwave, so around 1 microwave. So this capacitor also okay. So now it's probably problem is the magnetron. Yeah, I'll change the magnetron, then let's see how is it. Dear viewers, I have changed the magnetron. Yeah, so let's check it, how is it. I'll fix all the, then video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have connected all the connector. Let's try. Bismillah. Turn it on. Bismillah. I have to put water, then only we'll know. Okay dear viewers, I put some of water, so let's try 2 minutes. Put on. So after 2 minutes video will be back. Okay dear viewers, let's see how is water. Yeah, water is hot. Alhamdulillah, it has been successful. Yeah, so it was problem just a magnetron. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.